loving them, loving them. He be for the people, fuck the government, government. See, they all be fucking actors, man. These people just pretending. You all be playing rapper cause you're stuck in that dimension. I said it, they all want the mentions, want the pics for the Insta, but pass them the mic, they can't spit. I'ma rinse ya to really make you sink. I write hooks and punchlines to really make you think. Charming guy, I'm a pharaoh with these rhymes, with these rhymes. Starting to be shattered. 19, a little more young and a little more wise. To cope with this pain, need a little more wine. Ask me how I'm doing, guess I'm doing just fine. A warrior won't worry about my time, cause we sure ain't moving backwards, but roll it up, pure within the backwards. Like that's good, yeah. That energy.
Be young.
So we just be living life, ain't no way to do it right. So we just be living life, ain't no way to do it right. Yeah. I arise, wipe the sleep from my eyes, wipe the tears from my vibe. I realize I'm alive, ayy. Get the sun a little shine, get the moon a bit of light. Live your life, ain't no way to do it right, ayy. I feel peace in the peacetime. Please hold me when I rewind. I'ma come back in the meantime. This world got me, I got you, we can recline. I can't see straight, but it makes me see signs. Though I got my G's when we decline. Be here, be now, only feel real shit now. I refine my mind to the point where I'm blind to the faintness of rebound. Ain't no need for the details. It's the feeling that I feel now. I go back inside my ego, blaze a whole fucking pack. I've been looking for relief, everything ain't intact. I got everything I need, but relief, what I lack. Centrally, I escape, let me bring it right back. Centrally, I escape, let me bring it right back. I arise, wipe the sleep from my eyes, wipe the tears from my vibe. I realize I'm alive, get the sun a little shine.